One of the most asked questions among my buddies is, how do those Korean men get their skin so glass-like? I mean, seriously, it's like they've got a personal soft-focus camera filter built into their faces, right? So, today, we're going to dive into that, and I'll share some Korean skincare secrets you can use to get that healthy, glowing complexion. Look, pals, taking care of your skin is as important as those dumbbell curls, or that run you love so much. Healthy skin doesn't just make you look fresh, it can also make a huge impact on your overall confidence. And let me tell you, Korean guys get it. Okay, let's go over some basic principles behind Korean skincare. We're talking layers, folks, lots of them. Essentially, Korean skincare is all about hydration and protection, complemented with natural ingredients focused on nourishment and repair. The famous glass skin look is just a bonus side effect of healthy, well-hydrated skin. Sounds pretty cool, doesn't it? But how does this all tie together in an everyday routine? Here's the step-by-step breakdown, so you can elevate your skincare game to a Korean pop star level. Step 1. Cleansing. Cleansing isn't just about soap and water, guys. We're talking double cleansing. First, an oil cleanser to break down dirt and oil-based impurities, followed by a foam cleanser to clean the skin. I mean, you wouldn't mop a floor without sweeping it first, would you? Step 2. Exfoliation. Alright, moving on. Exfoliation isn't a maybe, it's a must. And no, rubbing your face with a towel doesn't count. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells and promotes new cell growth. Think of exfoliation as leveling up in a video game. It sets the stage for everything that comes next. Step 3. Toning host. After all that cleansing and exfoliating, your skin's pH levels are probably all over the place. That's where a toner comes in. It balances your skin to ensure it's not too oily or too dry. Imagine your skin is a VIP club. The toner is the bouncer, making sure only the good stuff gets in. Step 4. Moisturizing. You want a moisturizer that hydrates without making you feel like you've slathered cooking oil on your face. Trust me, the right moisturizer is like that perfect pair of jeans. Comfortable, makes you look great, and fits just right. Step 5. Diet. The forgotten hero. Okay, we've talked about all the lotions and potions, but let's not forget about the fuel, guys. You can't expect to achieve glass skin if you're chugging sodas and surviving on takeout. Now can you? You are what you eat. And no, I'm not just throwing cliches at you. Science backs this up. Foods rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals are your skin's best friend. For that glass skin glow, make sure you're loading up on things like omega-3 fatty acids found in fish, antioxidant-rich fruits like berries, hydrating foods like cucumber and watermelon, vitamins A, C, and E from colorful vegetables. So the next time you're grocery shopping, remember, your cart should look as colorful as a Korean drama, full of variety and good for the soul. Skincare doesn't stop at your bathroom sink. It extends to your dining table. Make the change today, and you won't just be turning heads, you'll be stopping traffic. Trust me, your future self will thank you. So there you go, guys. It's as simple as that. Time to swap that all-in-one gel lying in your bathroom for an actual skincare routine and start working toward that glass skin glow. Remember, the magic is in consistency and patience. If you found this holistic guide to achieving glass skin useful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. More insider secrets on grooming and lifestyle are on the way. This is Gary, signing off from the Alpha Man. Always remember, you're not just upgrading your looks, you're upgrading your life.